fictional story. It has got nothing to do with anyone dead or alive, and it's not even Pandit, leave alone Brahmin. They're saying Pandat.
Thank you so much, Padmaja. Now they have a controversy and outrage, a protest when Himmat Biswa shared a name of Mia Muslim, depicting to be Bangladeshi infiltrators, right? But they have a controversy and differentiation and coming here to defend, no, it's not a Pandit, it's a Pandit. Then I come forward with an argument, the Pandit is being Pandit only, called as a Pandit in Punjab, so they are Punjabi Brahmins. Now coming forward, they see everyone who is against nation as a freedom of speech and expression. For them, Shardil Iman was just doing a chakka jam, but for them, Brahman is a Ghuskhor. For them, everyone who is against in India are all secular, but Brahmin, they are Ghuskhor. And what they are calling Brahmins as a Ghuskhor. I give you a name what Brahmins have done for the Bharat and what Brahmins has come forward for this country. We have given the scientists, Aryabhatta, Charaka, Sushruta, Jogesh Pandit, Varmira, Brahmagupta, Ramanujja, C.V. Raman, they all are Brahmins. Coming forward, Rani Lakshmibai, Subramanian Swati, Vasudev, Vincent Panchitaman, BVS Iyer.
Why could the Dalits not do that?
All are Brahmins.
Why could the other communities not do that?
All are Brahmins. For them, Padmaja, for them, who are being accused and red carpeted for Merachipi massacre and Vijay Setu, for them, Brahmin will always be a Ghuskhor. They will never be considered to be a good person. I give you some hints. Vastav, Brahmin shown as a Tilak. Singham, Brahmin shown as a villain. Sarkar, Brahmin shown as a villain. Oh my God, Brahmin shown as a villain. But everyone who is other than Brahmin considered to be a secular. There was nothing. Brahmin has been targeted and bracketed with 3 words. Ghuskhor, Brahmin, Ghuskhor, Munim, Havas ke Pujari. And coming forward on another point, Ram Teri Ganga Meli, where Brahmin has been shown molesting a woman and saying Om Namah Shivaya. Coming on a Dushman movie, Brahmin has been shown as doing a molestation. Mathrubhumi Pranjit Jagannath has been shown as a cruel person. Oh my God, in PK, Brahmin has been shown as a correct person. Annapurna Brahmin girl has been shown eating a beef. Leela Hindu Raj considered to be a Sampradayik and communal. A suitable boy Hindu and Muslim and Brahmin shown as an objectionable thing in temple. I consider them. They are not oppressors. They are the being soft target of the Bollywood, where in 60s, 70s and 18s they were on an ideology of soft Islamophobia, and in 2000 they vehemently started using Islamophobia for Brahmin being a soft target, and freedom of speech and expression just become a tool to eradicate and to